Hey there! You just signed up for our free keto recipes today. You will receive an automatic email with all recipes straight to your email inbox in just a few minutes from now. Let's stop. Before you now start browsing through all these delicious recipes, we have some more additional keto gifts for you. In addition to your free keto recipes, we also want to give you our extensive Keto Kickstart package,
including your personal 30-day keto meal plan, a keto dessert cookbook, my keto and intermittent fasting guide, a complete keto food list, and so much more. This is the perfect care package for everybody who is serious about the keto diet and want to burn his body fat in a fast and healthy way. But you're probably wondering, what's the catch? Well, the thing is, you can only get access to this fully packed keto package today, right here and right now. Because today, my blog is celebrating its anniversary, and that's my way of saying thank you and giving back to my community. So one small word of warning, when you close this page, you won't have any other chance to get this beautiful keto package ever again. It's only available right here and right now while my blog is celebrating its anniversary. Anyone who misses this anniversary gift will have to pay the regular retail price of $79 if they want to have access on a later date. Now, let me give you a few more details, like what you'll receive with this Keto Kickstart package, and how to download and access all of these beautiful materials. So the first thing you'll be receiving is a foolproof, science-based 30-day ketogenic meal plan. It's even one doctors can recommend. It's the same one I use myself to stay healthy and fit. With this plan as your guide, you will unlock the secret to losing at least 1 pound of body fat every 72 hours. You just follow the plan step by step. You'll enjoy eating the delicious, keto-friendly, satisfying foods and filling meals into your daily routine. When you have my 30-day keto success plan, you literally can't do anything wrong. You will reach ketosis faster and burn more fat than ever before. And as part of this special anniversary gift, I'm also going to give you my ketogenic food journal. It's packed with a grocery-ready food list so that you have zero keto confusions when it comes time to shop. You will never again spend ages in the grocery store reading tiny nutritional labels when you have this simple and clear keto food list. This is making the keto diet so simple that you really can't fail. Now, this food journal alone normally retails at $37 on my website, but today you will get it as part of my special anniversary gift. Use this food journal and my ironclad 30-day step-by-step meal plan as your personal shortcut to getting ketosis, easily stay in ketosis, and to ensure you reach your dream weight. It'll work for you whether you're 30, 40, 50. In fact, the plan is even more effective for men and women over 30 years and who are finding losing weight is harder to do because they have a slower metabolism. The next thing you're going to get with this anniversary package is solving a big dieting problem. Giving in to the cravings for sweets is a real cause for many special women, including me, fail to stick to the keto diet. That's why I absolutely had to create a mouth-watering dessert recipe cookbook for my out-of-control cravings for sweets. And I really wanted to make my anniversary special. And that's why I'm also going to give you my 77 quick and easy keto desserts recipe cookbook containing full nutritional information, as well as easy-to-follow instructions to make the most simply delicious keto desserts. This recipe book is a dream for people who want to live a healthy lifestyle and satisfy their sweet tooth at the same time. It's beautifully designed and fully instructional. Oh, and by the way, that's probably the biggest keto dessert collection you can find online. Doesn't that sound great? Are you ready to get started making sinfully delicious desserts you can enjoy with absolutely no guilt?